Hey, what's cracking, everybody? On this video, we're gonna do a fix here. This is something that I've come across where a lot of ISOs I try to use, and I'm constantly running into this issue where they don't install on legacy BIOS. So basically, when I set up a system to install on my virtual machine, I just use all the defaults always, and one of the defaults I have set is it's always on legacy BIOS. And typically, when an installer doesn't work like this, what I have to do is rerun the whole system, but in UEFI mode. And then it does work in UEFI mode. So basically, the latest version of Calamares, what it's done, it's I don't know if it dropped support for legacy BIOS. Maybe that's what they did, but you know, it's an issue, and it sucks. And I know a lot of people have their version of Arch based systems that use the Calamares installers that they like to use, and I'm sure they're running into this issue a lot. The same way me testing all these ISOs, I run into this issue. So I wanted to show you guys a quick fix for that. It's a dirty fix, but it works nonetheless. You know what I mean? It's not perfect. It's nothing like nothing ever is, but it is a quick fix and it works. Okay, so let's do this right here. Right here, there's a easy installation. We'll click on it and we'll start the installer. This is not an overview on the system or anything like that. This is just to show you that this error is out on legacy BIOS, and I'm gonna show you a fix for that. And it should work for pretty much any other system that is not supporting legacy BIOS. Okay, so right here, I'm just going through all the defaults. I'm not going to make any options or anything. The only thing I'm gonna do is erase disk, next, 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 and then just enter my name. All right, and then next, install, and start the installer. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll pause the video, and then when we come back, I'll show you that error that we'll receive regarding the bootloader. All right, so hang tight there, folks, and I'm gonna pause the video now. Okay, so here you go. This is the error you're gonna get installing on the legacy BIOS system. The bootloader cannot be installed. The installation command return error code 1. Okay, so it failed. All right, so we have a fix for it. So let's open up a terminal. Let's see. Let's do kitty. Yeah, let's do kitty. All right, there we go. Let me make this bigger. Let me magnify. Okay, so we're gonna do a wget. Wget https LinuxHub.link prime and calamares.pkg.tar.zst. All right, hopefully I typed in everything correctly. We'll know shortly. All right, and that's done. Okay, the next command is going to be sudo pacman-U and I'm gonna start calamares, and then I'm gonna autofill. There you go. And then at the end, I'm gonna put overwrite. All right, all these commands that I'm putting here, I'm gonna put them down in the video description. That way, if you need to do it. And this is useful for, let's say, for example, your favorite distro, they upgraded their calamares and it no longer works on legacy BIOS. This way, you'll be able to use it. Now, being that I just tried with calamares, I may have to reboot the ISO and do this again, but we'll see right now. So do that. Okay, it looks right here like we have some database errors, and it looks like they're all part of Berserk Arch. So yeah, something about their key rings or whatever. Key ring is not writable. Okay, so we may have to do a sudo pacman install and install now. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to reboot the ISO. So hang tight. Better yet, I'll just use this over here. All right, select one. So being that this is an ISO, everything that I've just done is erased. So I have to do it all over again. But we don't have to go through the installation and get that error now. Now I'll just go straight into applying the fix. You knew the job was dangerous when you took it, so don't act funny. You guys love calamares so much, but you guys don't realize the struggles with this damn thing. It's a pain in the ass. All right, what am I looking for? Thunar. Nope, I didn't want Thunar. I wanted sudo Thunar. So let me open up Kitty. And like I said, all this will be in the video description. Sudo Thunar. Okay, navigate to etc and pacman.conf. Open with Sublime Text. Whatever text editor is on the system is what you want to use. Make this bigger. And you know what? Instead of commenting out, I'm just going to remove this shit. It's just easier. Done. 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 All right. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Go ahead and save this file. I'm done with you. I'm done with the file manager. Okay. So let's do a wget https linuxhub.link prime calamares.pkg.tar.zst. All right, now we do a sudo pacman-U, and don't forget overwrite. And it's going to be calamares.pkg.tar.zst. Cannot resolve. Let's do sudo pacman-sy first. All right, now we should be able to resolve all dependencies. Keyring is not, I got to do the keyring thing now? Yes, I do. Sudo pacman-key init. All right. And now we're going to populate archlinux. And then we're going to sudo pacman-sy again. Make sure everything's up to date. All right. Now let's install the fix. All right. Everything's working now. All right. Now we'll start the installer. Okay. So I'll go to next, 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 leaving everything default, erase disk, Next, next, next. Give it some info. All right, log in automatically. All right, so now the installer is going. Okay, so we applied the fix. Installer should now work on legacy BIOS. All right, so what I'll do here, I'll pause the video, and when we come back, we'll reboot on legacy BIOS. Okay, and you can see here now that we're all done and installed correctly. So I'll click on done, and then we're going to reboot into the system, and we're going to check the some system settings on there. So we want to boot into our legacy, and there's the boot. Bootloader is now fixed. All right, there we go. Fully installed on legacy BIOS. I just did a first look at this system, but I didn't explain none of this. I just went ahead and reset it up in UEFI and installed it in UEFI. But I wanted to show you that for systems, because I know a lot of people are loyal to certain distros that they use, and a lot of these distros that are updating their installer, they're basically fading out legacy BIOS is what they're doing. So there's still a lot of legacy BIOS systems out there. It kind of like goes hand in hand with the let's say, for example, Windows dropping support for Windows 10. That's what the community's doing with this newer version of Calamares. They're doing the exact same thing. They're making it to where you have to use these newer type systems when these systems are built for basically any type of PC. You know what I mean? The worst PC runs great on Linux. You know what I mean? So why they would go through all this and remove legacy BIOS is beyond me. Anyways, let's see. What do I want to do here? I want to open up. Let's open up Firefox. All right, and I want to search bash detect legacy BIOS. Okay, what happened to my? Just started opening up things. I was looking at my keyboard as I was typing, and I didn't notice it. It was opening up all these windows. Okay, bash detect legacy BIOS. All right. So this little script right here will tell you what your system is using. So let's open up a terminal. Where's Kitty at? All right, I'll just, I got Control V, Control Shift V. Okay, you can see right there, it says Legacy BIOS. All right, so enter this command that I just copied. I entered this command in here, and this will tell you if your system is either UEFI or BIOS, Legacy BIOS. So just enter it, and it says right there, Legacy BIOS. And if I was on a UEFI system, it would say UEFI. All right, you guys. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and it helps you out. I know it's helped my brain thought, so I know this will help a lot of people. But like I said, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video you just saw, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, by all means, give it a thumbs down. It's all fair game here on LinuxHub Prime. And I'm out.